Hello students, now today we will discuss about the topic physical properties of matter. Students, matter cannot be created nor destroyed, but one kind of matter can be distinguished by some physical properties and chemical properties. So today we will discuss physical properties of matter. These are physical properties of matter: states, color, smell, density, solubility, melting point and boiling point. So students, first of all, first point, states. You know, matter exists in three states: solid, liquid and gas. For example, there are three states of water: ice, solid, water, liquid and water vapor, gaseous state. Now, next property, color. All the matter can be distinguished by their varied colors. All matters have different colors. Okay. Now, smell. All the matters show variation in smell. For example, smell of water, smell of milk is different from smell of carbon monoxide and different gases. Okay. Now, density. Density, student, mass per unit volume. Okay. We have formula for density. Density is represented by mass per unit volume. Okay. Mass per unit volume is defined as density, and density of solid is maximum and density of liquid is less than density of solid and density of gas is minimum. Okay. Due to arrangement of molecules in solid, liquid and gas. Okay. Now, next, solubility. All the matters show variation in solubility in water and other solvent. Okay. Now, melting point. All the matters show variation in melting point. Students, melting point means the temperature at which process of melting takes place. It means the temperature at which solid changes into liquid. For example, melting point of ice is 0 degree centigrade. Okay. Now, next, boiling point. All the matters show variation in boiling point. For example, boiling point of water is 100 degree centigrade. All substances, all liquids have different boiling points. Okay. Now, next, intermolecular space and intermolecular force of attraction. Students, the space between two molecules is known as intermolecular space. Okay. This is arrangement of molecule in solids, liquids and gases. The space between molecules in solid is minimum. Okay, and the space between space between gas molecules is more than space between molecules of liquid. It means intermolecular space is minimum in case of solid and maximum in case of gas. But intermolecular force of attraction, a force which brings particles nearer to each other. Okay. In case of solid, if space is minimum, it means force of attraction will be maximum, because we have formula or relation force inversely proportional to square of the distance. Okay. In case of solid, liquid and gas. In case of solid, space, intermolecular space is minimum, then force of attraction will be maximum. Okay. But in case of gas, space is maximum, it means force of attraction will be minimum. Okay, thank you.